Well, we're out here on the weather patio for good reason. It's homecoming weekend. We've got Angie Horkin with Wisconsin Beef Council helping us, get ready for big game day.
Exactly. I want to give you guys creative tailgating recipe ideas. So think outside the box. And this one, I think, is really fun. Now, it's actually created to be like a camping recipe. Make some packets, take them out. But it's so perfect for tailgating because they grill about 15 minutes. Make all the prep ahead. You guys are going to make your own right now. So we're going to make a foil pack beef and veggie meal. So I got 4 pieces of foil.
All right. What do we need to know?
Okay, we're gonna spray the foil and then we're gonna add in. I've got some pot roast. I actually got leftover pot roast. So I've been cooking some up, shredded it. So you do a quarter and then we'll pass it down.
All right.
Okay. But you know, the recipe on the website calls for a fully cooked pot roast that you can buy right in the supermarket. So if you want to start with that, feel free. They're right there in the meat department. Then we do some smoked beef sausage, like a ring.
So good.
It's already cooked,
Yum.
so I just chunked it up.
Amazing.
We're gonna put a quarter of that in. Then I have some frozen butternut squash.
Ooh, in season.
You can definitely do fresh squash.
The more the better.
No, there's no potatoes in these packets because we only grill them about 15 minutes. If you wanted to add potatoes, cook them a little bit ahead.
Yeah. We've definitely done that before where you try to throw a whole bunch of raw potatoes in there and they take forever.
They take forever.
So that's a good tip to save you some time.
These veggies cook a little bit faster. So zucchini, yellow squash, and then some sweet corn. So I grabbed some sweet corn and kind of cut it into thirds so it's smaller little sections.
We're just tossing them on there.
You get it, corn. You get it, corn. Everybody. Everyone.
Then
looks good.
Josh, take
Ooh, what do you got there? What kind of seasoning?
Old Bay. So we're gonna give it
Old
a hit
Bay.
of that.
You got it. Extra spicy.
I know. I'm also getting buzzed by a bee right now.
Teaspoon of
You gotta give me high blood pressure.
You get a teaspoon of oil in each.
All right, here we go.
Oil, a little vegetable oil, or EVOO.
And this is something you can really personalize too.
Yes. Or I've done this in the big kind of throwaway pan. You know how you can get those big aluminum pans from the supermarket? Do a big batch, and then if you do it that way, just cover it with foil and then open it, maybe give it a stir every 5-10 minutes. Okay.
Right.
Oh my, we are
surrounded
we are so popular.
The bee
It's all right.
season.
They like it too.
So tailgating,
Oh, it
watch out
smells
for
so
bees.
good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just buzzing with flavor.
Mm.
There you go. Yes.
Ooh,
Yeah.
piping hot.
So there they are. I mean,
Yum.
Okay,
kind
forks?
of everything's cooked through.
Oh,
Forks,
yeah.
grab a fork.
Oh my
Don't
gosh.
get burned. You can always add a little salt and pepper too at the end because it's really just got that one seasoning in there. So pretty easy and like you said, customizable.
It is very hot.
Oh, it's very hot. Be careful.
Okay.
So yeah,
Some of those veggies.
easy to grill. Make it.
Amazing.
Prep everything ahead of time. Take it. Don't have to do many dishes. 15 minutes, 20 minutes on the grill at location or in your backyard, wherever you're at. Beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. We created that whole tailgating page.
Oh, just our nursery now.
All different kinds of fun recipes. Think outside the box.
I'm so happy. Well, and this is perfect for a weekend now that it's actually feeling more fall-like too.
This is definitely, it is. This is better tailgating weather.
Love it.
Isn't it?
All right. You can find this recipe and all of our
Yeah.
tailgating recipes at beeftips.com.